Welcome back to ETHEREANS community, guys. Thank you for continuing to follow us. Just a quick video today to take you through step by step on how to vote for the upcoming grant allocation shared by ETHOS. Stay with us. Right, so what we know so far is that there are going to be 6 delegations to begin with. Each of which will get a 10 Ethereum allocation worth of grant from the EthereansOS team. So far, 2 have already been approved, one of which is our own. What we also know is that in approximately 5 days' time, on Monday, 28th of February, around 6:55 a.m. GMT, we're going to approach the deadline for delegations to secure a portion of the additional $80,000 that the Ethos team is making available to delegations. At the time of the recording, it's 5 days and 12 hours, but you can see on this tab that it actually gives you the exact time and date. So keep this in mind because it's really, really important. We're going to put this link down in the description so that you can keep track of it. So let's get onto it. So the first step is to go to ethos.eth.link and launch the app. Once you do that, you're gonna go straight into the guilds tab on the left hand side, and then subsequently click on delegations in the top, and that's gonna give you basically a list of the 2 delegations that have been approved so far. As you can see here, you can click on ETHEREANS community for the purpose of this video. And that will open up our page where you can see a little bit of information about what we are doing. You can see already the 10 Ethereum grant that we have been secured as part of the approval process. And now we're going to show you what to do in order for you to wrap your OS to give us the best chances of securing a portion of these $80,000 that are going to be made available on Monday. You'll see that there is a button there where it says wrap. So we're going to click on that. Here it's going to ask you to select the amount of OS that you want to wrap towards ETHEREANS community in this case. A big shout out to our friend CK, who has kindly made the ETHOS available for us to be able to do this demo. So we're going to show you what to do. We think it's going to be straightforward, but obviously we haven't tried this process yet. So bear with us. We're going to do step by step and see what actually happens. We expect that as soon as we press wrap, our MetaMask wallet will open. Exactly. And then it's going to obviously give us the cost of gas. And we are happy to go ahead, and we're just going to confirm. Now the transaction is being processed, and there we are, transaction done. As you can see on the top, there is a transaction hash as well written there if you wanted to track it. And now all of a sudden those extra 650 OS have been added on to the supporter stake. That was actually really, really straightforward. It's great that they made it really, really easy. Subsequently, once I think it's a 3 days period that this voting is going to be open for. Once that's done, then you go one of 2 choices. You can either unwrap and redeem your OS, which by the way, they are going to be valued at 121. So the minute you do wrap, you're going to get the equivalent OS in our tokens. So you can take them back home. And we'll still be grateful for that. Alternatively, given that once we know what percentage of this grant we have been able to secure, we are going to start putting our proposals for the delegations up. And therefore, by leaving your wrapped OS onto the delegations until that's done, you are immediately going to be able to already vote. And probably you're going to save up some gas fees. But of course, it's completely up to you. And we're very grateful if you guys support us. The first proposal for the month is going to go out hopefully next week. And within that, we are going to give you the choice to vote for or against some of the ideas that we have in terms of investing the grant money that we've already secured. In the video that we published yesterday, you will also see more information about how we plan to allocate these funds. So again, this is a good time for you guys to be part of the conversation and get involved in the directions that we're going to take with this project. Thank you very much for following us. If you got any questions, let us know and get in touch. And again, we really appreciate your support, and we look forward to working with you in more depth moving forward. Take care.